Come on, Nugget, get up. I have to teach them how to draw, okay? Okay, guys, today's Friday free time. You're going to learn how to draw a milkshake. First thing you want to do is put two dots lightly, move it down lower. We're going to put some whipped cream on our milkshake, so you got to bring your dots a little lower, but you're going to bring them pretty far apart. And then below that, two dots that are pretty close together. You're going to connect them by doing some curved lines out. Then you're going to curve two more lines out and connect the bottom. And that's what your glass is sitting on. The next thing you're going to do is bring a line part of the way over. You want to leave some room for some whipped cream. So draw a little cloud of whipped cream there. And then you're going to draw three dots across, one dot at the bottom, curve some lines over to connect them to that bottom part, and then you're going to connect here so that it separates from the stem, and then draw some waves over to connect your dots, almost like a spider's web. The next thing that you're going to do is bring some more whipped cream over the side. Stop here for a moment because you're going to add a cherry to the top. Nice big one. Don't close it at the bottom because we'll have more whipped cream going over it. And now bring some more whipped cream over to the side of your glass. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to just draw a shadow on the bottom. You can add a few lines to the side to give it shadow on this side. And there you have it. You can also decide what flavor you'd like to make it. It can be mint chocolate chip, strawberry, cookies and cream. You can be creative with it. And the last thing we'll do is make this a little bit darker. All right.